Acacia decurrens in bloom. The birds have been biting it off the tree. I wonder if it was the cockatoos. It's quite an attractive tree, Acacia decurrens. Delicate foliage. Not the showiest of wattles, but quite pretty. This is a piece that a bird has bitten off. See, the birds have been biting it off. I think I'll give it to that hungry goat. I know she likes eating wattle trees and the flowers, I've noticed. She does. So I'll pick those branches up. I could give them to the goat, or I could put them in a vase on the kitchen table, couldn't I? They're very pretty. I wonder who did that. Probably cockatoos. Probably a cockatoo did it. I don't know why they bite branches off. There must be some method in their madness. Some reasoning behind it all. Acacia decurrens. It's quite a tough wattle, but it's not the most drought hardy of all. It's happier with water. I don't think it really comes from the driest areas of Australia. Quite an attractive wattle though, especially if it's got water. Bit spindly if it's growing on its own in a dry climate. Attractive enough and very decorative. When it's happy, the leaves are lush like ferns when it gets enough water. There's another. It's certainly a good goat fodder tree. I know that goat likes eating Acacia decurrens leaves. So if you've got goats, it's good to have certain acacia trees that goats like. Goats don't like every single acacia, but they like that sort. Here we are. You like Acacia decurrens, don't you? Oh, you do.